Welcome to Antique Visions. World War II is often remembered for the battles fought on the front lines, but behind every victory was a hidden army of brave women whose contributions shaped history. These forgotten warriors worked tirelessly, on the home front, in factories, in intelligence, and even on the battlefield. Today, we'll uncover the extraordinary stories of these women, showcasing their courage, sacrifice, and resilience through rare and powerful photographs. Like the video to support us, share your thoughts in the comments, and share this journey with others. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. So let's get started. When the men went to war, the women stepped up. Across the United States and Europe, women took on roles traditionally reserved for men. They worked in factories, building planes, tanks, and weapons critical to the war effort. These Rosie the Riveters became symbols of strength, proving that women were more than capable of taking on the toughest jobs. Like Mary Doyle Keefe, the real-life inspiration for Rosie the Riveter, millions of women shattered stereotypes and built the machines that won the war. While some stayed behind, others chose to step into the line of fire. Women served as nurses, providing life-saving care on battlefields and in military hospitals. In the U.S., more than 150,000 women joined the Women's Army Corps, WWIIs and WASPs, taking on roles as pilots, mechanics, and radio operators. Take the WASPs, Women Air Force Service Pilots. These incredible women ferried planes, tested aircraft, and trained male pilots, all while facing skepticism and danger. But the contributions of women didn't end there. Many worked in intelligence, like the codebreakers at Bletchley Park in Tyneside, England, whose work deciphering enemy messages shortened the war by years. Others joined the resistance in Nazi-occupied territories, risking their lives to smuggle information, sabotage enemy operations, and save countless lives. Nancy Wake, one of the most decorated Allied agents, led dangerous missions in France, evading capture and leading attacks against the enemy. When the war ended, many women were expected to return to their traditional roles, but their contributions were undeniable, paving the way for future generations to fight for equality and recognition. These forgotten warriors weren't just supporting players, they were key to the Allies' victory. Their courage reminds us that history is shaped not only by those on the front lines, but by the countless individuals working behind the scenes. Thank you for joining us on this journey to honor the women of WWII. Which of these stories inspired you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Antique Visions, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next trip through history. Let's keep the past alive, one story, one photo at a time.